Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Tesla. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 5.66. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 17.29% since we first listed Tesla as a buy candidate 4 days ago. This translates to an average return of 4.32% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This typically presents a promising selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakthrough at the top trend line, priced at $334.38, will initially indicate a slower rate of decline, and it may serve as the first sign of a shift in the overall trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 7.51% over this period, with a possible return ranging from negative 41.58% to negative 7.42%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 36.77%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 3.47% to 119.96% over the next year. In practical terms, this translates to a future price somewhere between $322.47 and $734.82. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for Tesla. The Tesla stock price increased by 4.93% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 13th of May 2025. Rising from $318.38 to $334.07. It has now experienced 5 consecutive days of growth. It will be interesting to see whether this upward trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 6.56%, with a low of $316.80 and a high of $337.59. Over the past 10 days, the price has increased in 6 instances and has risen by 14.4% over the last 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on this last day along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 25 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 135 million shares were exchanged for approximately $45.20 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $488.54, while the lowest price was $167.41. Currently, the price stands 31.62%, or $154.47, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Tesla's stock has been notably influenced by recent developments in United States-China trade relations, which have provided a significant boost to technology stocks, including Tesla. The recently confirmed reduction in tariffs between the two nations has set a bullish sentiment on Wall Street, with Tesla shares climbing over 7%. This optimism suggests a potential for sustained growth in the short to medium term, especially as these trade negotiations continue to unfold. However, it's crucial to acknowledge the challenges Tesla faces. While the overall price of electric vehicles has increased, the sales of the highly anticipated Cybertruck have fallen below expectations, with monthly units dropping under 2,000. This downturn could create investor skepticism, impacting long-term growth prospects if not addressed effectively. Additionally, the recent selling of Tesla stock by board chair Robin Denholm, amounting to $198 million, raises concerns about insider sentiment and overall confidence in the company's performance moving forward. As Tesla continues navigating these complex dynamics, including reliance on international revenue and fluctuating United States market conditions, clarity in strategy and execution will be vital for maintaining investor confidence. In summary, while the recent positive tariff news and its immediate impact on stock price elevation are promising, Tesla must address its internal challenges to ensure long-term valuation stability. Investors should watch closely as Tesla adapts to these shifting landscapes. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, Benchmark assigned Tesla a buy grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, Goldman Sachs rated Tesla as neutral with a recommendation to hold. Also on Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, Piper Sandler gave Tesla an overweight grade accompanied by a hold action. Additionally, on the same day, Wedbush rated Tesla as outperform with a hold recommendation. Lastly, on Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, Morgan Stanley awarded Tesla a buy grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a buy. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. Today, the chart reflects predominantly positive signals. Tesla's stock currently displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting an optimistic forecast. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support can be expected at the levels of $295.34 and $268.32. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and thus far, the stock has increased by 50.58%. An upward trend is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD, is indicating a buy signal. Additionally, both volume and price are on the rise, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. Here are some additional signals that you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 25 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 65 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 13 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 52 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $282.76 and $272.20. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Tesla finds support just below today's level at $282.76. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $272.20 and $252.40. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $20.79 between high and low, or 6.56%. Over the last week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 4.42%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 22nd of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 410 of a dollar. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $337.80. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could present a good opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla encounters its first support level at $282.76. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Robin M. Denholm, who bought and sold 215,550 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 54.383. In total, insiders acquired 1,012,890 shares and sold 3,359,733 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $322.85, reflecting a decline of 3.36%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a higher risk profile. The relative strength index, measured over 14 days, stands at 82, which greatly amplifies this risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 24 days ago. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Tesla shows several promising indicators. Despite the stock currently experiencing a downward trend, we believe it presents a good investment opportunity at these levels. Our projections suggest that Tesla stock will perform notably well over the next 3 months. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 14th of May, we anticipate that Tesla will open lower by $4.58, starting at a price of $329.49. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.